our obligations under the law. Okay, sir? Sir, ganito.
Let us follow the
Ito na ang sinasabi ko, sir, na we can do this the hard way. We can do this the easy way. The easy way, sir, is for you to choose 3 people to accompany PR to the plane. May bus dyan, and you're going to the plane. Okay, sir. The hard way.
What plane is this, sir?
Ma'am, chartered flight.
Chartered flight from...
Okay.
So we need to
hard way.
know. We
Hard-
need to know
ma'am,
where you're
ma'am,
bringing our
ma'am.
president.
Ma'am, the hard way.
Sir, we need to know. Please give
Ma'am.
us information
Makinig ka muna, ma'am.
where you are bringing
Wala sa pay grade ko yan, ma'am. Tagalogin na natin.
Sabihin nyo kung saan siya dalahin.
The hard way. The hard
Pakisagot
way.
po kami.
The hard way is for me to